Hey guys, this is Phon-Er Gold, vlog 96, and we just finished the phone for Bianca, iPhone 6 White, and we are now heading out to South LA or somewhere crazy cool. I'm not sure exactly what the area is called, but it's in like South LA, I think. It's for my friend Sherry, who works for INS. She's pretty big deal over there. Going to her house to fix her granddaughter's phone, which is awesome. So we'll see right there when we drop. It's another iPhone 6 back-to-back trade. So we'll see you guys soon. Peace. Cut. See you soon. Hey guys, we are almost here at we're in right now South LA off of Martin Luther King off the 110. I think that's considered South LA. And we are almost there. We're only 2 minutes away, 0.3 miles, and we should get there in a second, so stay tuned. Coming your way. Come true. Coming your way. Peace. Coming. Hey guys, we just got here and we parked, and here's the area. It's pretty nice. Nice buildings. Pretty dope. As you can see, it's pretty chill area. Very quiet, very nice. So we're about to bring this thing to a new life. About to make this little phone a beautiful one once again. It is pretty shattered up, so hey guys, we'll see you inside. Stay tuned. It's coming. Hey guys, we're here fixing this baby. Pretty smashed up. Cool. Okay. Opening it up.
It's just a dream.
That's the snow screen from back. This works.